the first step is me dropping the pool ball into whatever you want to call this thingy, and gravity pulls it towards the wooden panel, which begins step 2, which is this knocking the wooden panel over. And that is because the ball is in motion, and there's nothing like causing friction with the ball and the table because it's a smooth surface. So it keeps moving, so it stays in motion. And then that begins step 3, which is this knocking over the panel and this little rubber band ball coming out of here. And it's going to accelerate down because of gravity and because we're on a little hill. And so it's going to stay in motion, and it's going to knock over these 5 CDs. And then because it's in motion, that's going to begin step 4, which is going to be, it's going to knock all these over. Then because these have all had a force acted upon them, this ball is going to begin rolling. It's going to roll down this thing like this. And then that is going to start step 5. Well, it rolls. Okay, so step 5 is the force from the first ball puts the second ball in motion, and it continues to roll down this ramp without decelerating. It accelerates because there's no friction and because of gravity, and we're on a hill, so it's going to just keep going down and accelerating. So the ball is still accelerating at the bottom of the ramp. This is step 6 now. And so because its force is greater than the force of the cart, it pushes the cart over, and that leads us to step 7. Then because the cart has had a force acted upon it, it begins to be put in motion, and it knocks the soccer ball off of that little table, and that leads us to step 8. The soccer ball is now put in motion because of the force acted upon it by this cart, and so because it's in motion, it's going to go down because of gravity, and it's going to go in the goal because there's nothing to stop it except the goal, so it's going to keep accelerating until it gets in it. Woo! This thing is.
Elda!
And gravity. Accelerating down the ramp. Because of gravity. The force.